Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and this is a special edition video. A little extra one. I wanted to just pop on and unbox this on camera because I saw that there were notes, which means this is a subscriber gift. So yeah, I'll start off by reading the little note. This is a gift from Maisie at Maisie's Madhouse. I will pop a link to her channel, and also from Sharon at Pencil Surprises, I will link to her channel as well, of course. They say, Arietta, you're a wonderful friend. Happy birthday from us both, your crafty sisters, Denise and Sharon. Thank you so much, ladies. You are the kindest, sweetest people. Yeah, thank you so much. So, yes, I have been saving this to unbox on camera. So here we are. Let's get inside. I'm going to need some scissors. Oh, come on. Don't want to break anything. Oh, I can see purple. That's always a good sign. So, oh my goodness, what's this? Oh, it says best wishes for you, stars and dream. Wow, okay, well, the box is gorgeous. Oh, you're very naughty. Thank you so much. These are glass pens, and oh, there's a little washing cup, a little rest for your pen to rest on, and some gorgeous metallic inks. Oh my goodness, look at that shine. I can't get you to see it. I daren't open it. I'll get it everywhere. Are they all metallics? Yeah, I think they are. They just need a bit of a zhuzh. Some of the metallic has settled. Look at that sparkle in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, ladies, thank you so much. Yeah, so I'll pop a link to my video all about glass dip pens. This is beautiful. These are stunning. There are no words, sorry. So yeah, just thank you so much. I'm gonna have the best time playing with all these different colors of inks, and yeah, I'll make a little video and pop it up so that you can see them in action. But this is just, oh, beautiful. So lovely. Sorry, I'm just rambling now. So yes, thank you. This is a beautiful, surprising birthday present. Very unexpected, and yeah, you're very generous. Thank you so much. Please, everybody, do go and check out Maisie's Madhouse and Pencil Surprises. They deserve much love. And yeah, I'm going to leave this here. Thank you all for watching my little birthday unboxing. I will see you in the next one. And until then, stay crafty.